Lesson 24, Checkup.
This lesson is a checkup to see how well you have learned. Choose A, B, or C as the correct response to the statement or question that you hear on tape.
1. What do we call a citizen of Denmark?
A. He's a Dane.
2. The flowers disappeared from the backyard.
A. When did that happen?
3. What do we call a narrow stretch of water?
C. That's a strait.
4. What's an ambassador?
B. It's someone who represents his country in a foreign country.
5. What's Anne making? Do you know?
C. Yes, it's a blanket for the baby.
6. Is Mr. Maxwell brave?
C. Yes, he isn't afraid of anything.
7. Don't you think we should eat a good breakfast every day?
A. By all means.
8. Did the weather report say it would rain?
A. Yes, according to them, there's a 75% chance of rain.
9. What's an antonym for complex?
B. Simple.
10. How did they get over the mountains?
C. Through the pass.
11. What's the third planet out from the sun?
A. The Earth.
12. What do we make speech sounds with?
C. Speech organs.
13. Which of these English nouns is derived from an English verb?
A. Development.
14. If someone is influential, what effect does he have on other people?
C. Other people follow him.
15. If you don't understand something, what must the instructor give you?
A. A better explanation.
16. Which is a feature of the land?
C. A plateau.
17. Which is the form of a language used by a local or social group?
A. A dialect.
18. Which do you use on your bed at night?
A. A blanket.
19. Name some minerals.
C. Copper, iron, and jade.
20. Which are authors?
C. Novelists and poets.
Choose A, B, or C to complete these responses.
21. Mr. Summerall can't make up his mind.
Mrs. Summerall can't decide either.
22. How do you know who wrote this?
I recognize the handwriting.
23. Where's the Yucatan Peninsula?
It's in the Gulf of Mexico.
24. What did Mr. Weston speak about?
He told them about his assignment in Sarvatra.
25. Did you hear Professor Weaver's lecture about water today?
Yes, he said that water was always in motion on the earth.
26. Steve had an argument with his boss. I wonder if he's quit.
No, he didn't quit because of that.
27. Wasn't George Orwell his real name?
No, that's a pseudonym.
28. Why does your father wear hats like that?
Oh, you know, he belongs to the older generation.
29. What was the meeting about?
He gave a talk on Turkish culture.
30. Can animals speak?
No, only the human race can do that.
31. Who's your father's sister?
She's my aunt.
32. Why can't you write the letter yourself?
I need help with the formal language.
33. What happened to the Tyler's garage?
Didn't you hear about that? It burned to the ground last month.
34. Why did Tommy run away from home?
He was mad at his parents.
35. What did the professor say about water on the earth?
He said it's always in motion.
36. Where did you put your boat?
I stored it in the garage. I won't have any use for it until next summer.
37. Why was Mr. Maxwell absent?
He said he had his tooth pulled last week.
38. How did the police find the house?
The barking dogs led them to the right place.
39. Did you have to wait very long?
Yes. It required a lot of patience.
40. Does language stay the same from one period to another?
No. It's constantly changing.
Circle A, B, or C as the correct place for the words in parentheses.
41. What are you doing now?
A. I'm trying to figure out the answer to the 5th question for you.
42. Who was Hemingway?
B. He was a well-known American novelist.
43. Did Paul Burton give his phone number?
A. Yes, but he didn't say where he was staying.
44. Do you ever get students from Denmark?
B. Although it's a small country, we have several students from there.
45. Is Mike going to help Carol with her geography tonight?
C. I'm not sure if he's going to do it or not.
Choose A, B, or C as the sentence that means about the same as the one you hear on tape.
46. I can't remember, Dr. Ferguson, Mike said.
B. Mike told Dr. Ferguson that he couldn't remember. 47. Can you speak Arabic fluently? Anne asked Henry.
C. Anne asked Henry if he could speak Arabic fluently. 48. Miss Blair asked Jim to look up the population of Rome.
'B. Jim, please look up the population of Rome,' Miss Blair said.
"49. Please tell the tourists how to get to Norfolk Island."
A. They want to know how they can get there.
50. The archaeologist found some ruins, but he wasn't satisfied with his work.
B. Although the archaeologist found some ruins, he wasn't satisfied with his work.
End of lesson 24.